What you see before you is a 20-inch Toastmaster box fan model 4435. Manufactured sometime, I believe, in the mid to late 1980s. Pretty cool caramel brown tan color scheme here. Toastmaster logo cast into the grills there. Banana blade design. Got a couple grill slats missing there on the front. Unfortunately, the plastic strap handle is missing. Those commonly break. That there is what's left of a caution sticker about the fan being thermally protected. 3-speed brown control knob there. The strap handle would have been the same shade of brown as that knob is. Go ahead and turn around to the back here. There's the back side, also has the Toastmaster logo in it. Motor in the fan is a McGraw-Edison Toastmaster motor. This era here was the last to see that motor. Shortly after, they started outsourcing to Macmillan for their motors. Not much else to say about it, so let's go ahead and dig in. Low speed's fairly quiet. You can tell that the blade is a little out of balance, a little bit warped, so it does have a shake to it. Low speed is definitely a lot faster than my 90s Toastmaster here with the Macmillan motor. That has a much more quieter low speed. That drawing 1.28 amps on low. Go to medium. Drawing 1.62 amps on medium. And high. Decently powerful. A little loud, but typically plastic blade fans are fairly loud on high. 2.08 amps. Motor tags, I believe, is rated at 2.4, 2.6. Gonna let it coast. And there you have it. There was the 20-inch Toastmaster box fan model 4435 from the mid to late 1980s. Stay cool. Take care. Peace.